These are the C elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go up to 5. These ones were just modded, I believe, in 2018 and have Series 2 vandal resistant fixtures. Someone might have called it. Nope, no one's getting on. Here's your inspection certificate. You can see it says Otis right down there. Here's your cab view. £4,000 capacity. We're gonna end the video down here.